Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we will go over how to activate Zoom automatic captions. The automatic captions feature can allow participants to have a relatively accurate live transcript of what is being said. This can be used for various note-taking purposes and summaries of meetings. Please keep in mind that the automatic captions are not completely accurate. They will require some editing on your part. Let's get started. To activate the automatic captions feature, we will first need to go to canisius.zoom.us and sign in. From there, find and click on the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Click on In Meeting Advanced. Then scroll down until we find Automated Captions. Click on the slider to the right of it to activate Automated Captions. We may get a pop-up. We can ignore this for now and select Enable. These are all the languages that the captions can be translated into. We will also see that the full transcript and save caption settings have been enabled. Full transcript allows participants to view the transcript in a side panel during the meeting. Save captions allows participants to save the transcript. If we have this last option on, we should verbally warn participants that the captions may not be accurate. Optionally, we can restrict which users are able to save the transcript. Click on the checkbox below Save Captions. This will allow us to choose which participants can save the transcript. Make sure Host is selected, then select Save. Now only the host will be able to save the transcript. This will allow us to edit the transcript and share it later. Let's check out these options in a live Zoom meeting. When we access our meeting now, we should see an option for Show Captions. Click on that. When we do, a pop-up will appear allowing us to choose the caption language. The default language is English. Click on Save for now. We should notice the button now says Hide Captions. When we or other participants start talking, we should see white text in a dark background just above the menu. Note that automatic captions are not automatically active by default. We will have to activate it for every meeting that we want to use it in. To save the automatic caption, we will need to open the side panel. Click on the caret to the right of the automatic caption button. Choose View Full Transcript. Then find and click on the Save Transcript button below the full transcript. We can click on the Show in Folder link to open our File Explorer to where the file is located. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.